Consonant cluster. A syllable may begin with any consonant except ng. However, j sound is, that is in genre, is rare. We can have three consonants in the initial position of the syllables and up to four consonants at the ending position of the syllable. So three onset and four coda. For example, there are few possibilities that which sounds can be possible or which consonants can be possible in the initial position. So we can have s plus t, stay, s plus w, sway, s plus ma, smoke. So in these sound, s plus t, w and ma, s is pre-initial and t is initial consonant, right? So this is one possibility in which we can have two consonants, whereas any single consonant, as I just said, start a word except ng, right? So when we have two consonants, one of the possibilities is that the first is s sound and the second one is t, w or ma, as you can see in these words. T, w, ma will be initial consonants. One of the set of 15 consonants followed by l, r, w and y. I mean like b, like p, like t, right? So, and plus these four consonants. For example, play, tray, quick, few. So you can see that in all these words, we have l, r, w and y, and they have a preceding consonant p, t, k and f. So this is another possibility when we can have two consonants in the initial position, in which the first one is the initial and the second one is the post initial consonant. So here the first one is initial consonant and the second one is post initial consonant. Three consonant cluster, when we can have three sounds in the beginning of a consonant. Here we have s plus ha, ta, ka, they are all plosives, plus l, r, w, right? So you can see the example in the word like split, stream, square. Here s is pre-initial, pa, ta, ka is initial, and l, r, w are post-initial consonants. Any consonant can be final other than ha, ra, wa and y consonant. So at the end of the consonant, there can be any consonant except these four sounds. You cannot have any syllable in which the ending sound is ha or wa or ra, especially in the English, BBC English, where generally ra is not pronounced, and y. Two types of final consonant, pre-final plus final. For example, m, n, ng, l and s. We can have bump, bent, bank, belt and ask. Here we have the first pre-final, the ma, na, ng, l, s are pre-final consonant, and the other one pa, ta, ka, ta and ka, they are the final consonant. Like the initial position consonants, here too we have pre-final and final, and then again post-final, etc. So final and post-final. So post-final can be s, z, t, d and f, right? So they can be found as post-final position, and before them there can be any consonant. For example, beds, beds, backed, begged eighth, right? So you can see that the final is t, d, k, g, and t. Two types of final three consonant clusters. Now we come on to the three final consonant, where we find a syllable with three consonant. For example, in a word like helped, we have l as pre-final, p as final, and t as post-final. We have banks, pre-final, k final, and s as post-final. Bonds, n pre-final, d final, and z as post-final. And 12, l as pre-final, f as final, and th as post-final. So this is the case when we have three consonants, where we have one pre-final, one final, and one post-final. The second type is when we have no pre-final but final, post-final 1 and post-final 2. For example, if you can look at these words, fifths, we have p, f, and s. Next, k, s, and t. And lapsed as p, s, and t. So in these cases, you can see that generally we have s, z, t, d, and th as post-final 1 or 2. Second option is that we have a pre-final, final, post-final 1 and post-final 2. For example, here we have four possibilities: 12th, l, f, th, and s, and prompts m, p, t, and s. This is another possibility in which we can have up to 4 consonants with 2 post-final consonants. So a different analysis with no pre-final in these two words, sixth and texth. We don't have any pre-final. We have final, k, s, f, and s. Final, post-final 1, 2, and 3, and k, s, t, and s. Final, post-final 1 and 2 and 3. So you can see that in consonant cluster, the possibility is that we can have 3 consonants in the initial position as onset of a syllable, and up 4 consonants in the final position as consonant clusters. So these are the consonant clusters possibilities in English language.